Toys, they're simple, they're fun, and they feel almost magical, don't they? But have you ever stopped to think about where toys come from, or why they are so incredibly important in our lives? Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of toys, from ancient artifacts to the high-tech gadgets of today. Let's get started. Believe it or not, toys are ancient, way older than most people imagine. Archaeologists have unearthed toys dating back over 4,000 years. Imagine children in ancient Egypt playing with dolls made of wood and clay, or tossing around small balls. They even had miniature animals carved from stone. In ancient Greece and Rome, kids were busy with spinning tops, rolling hoops down the streets, and playing with detailed figurines. And of course, long before any of these were made, simple things like stones, sticks, and homemade dolls were the original toys. But these weren't just for passing the time. From the very beginning, toys were crucial tools that helped children learn about the world and develop essential skills for life. Over the centuries, toys have evolved in incredible ways, branching out into so many exciting categories. First up, we have educational toys. Think of puzzles that challenge our minds, building blocks that let our creativity soar, and science kits that make us feel like little inventors. These toys are fantastic for developing logic, problem-solving skills, and out-of-the-box thinking. They teach us how to build, create, and understand the world around us, all while having a blast. Then there are the classic action figures and dolls. From iconic Barbie dolls with their endless careers and styles, to the mighty superhero figures that let us act out epic battles between good and evil. These toys are all about imagination and storytelling. They allow kids to step into different roles, explore social situations, and express their emotions through pretend play. It's a way to create our own worlds and narratives, which is a powerful part of growing up. Now, let's talk about the modern era, electronic and interactive toys. We're talking about clever robots that respond to your voice, kids' tablets packed with learning games, and of course, video games that transport us to incredible digital realms. These toys brilliantly merge fun with technology, teaching coding basics, improving reaction times, and making learning incredibly engaging and interactive. They show us how technology can be a gateway to new skills and endless entertainment. We can't forget the importance of getting active, which is where outdoor and sports toys come in. Think of the simple joy of kicking a soccer ball around a field, the freedom of riding a bicycle through the neighborhood, or the rhythm of a jump rope. These toys encourage physical exercise, help develop coordination and balance, and teach valuable lessons about teamwork and friendly competition. They get us moving, breathing fresh air, and enjoying the great outdoors. And finally, we have the timeless classic toys. These are the toys that have been loved for generations and never seem to go out of style. Yo-yos, spinning tops, marbles, rocking horses, they possess a simple charm that continues to captivate kids even in our high-tech world. Their enduring popularity proves that sometimes the simplest ideas provide the most timeless fun. What's really cool is how toys can be a window into different cultures. Around the world, you'll find unique toys that reflect local traditions and artistry. In Japan, for example, children master the kendama, a tricky skill toy, or create beautiful art through origami. In India, vibrant wooden puppets and colorful spinning tops have been entertaining kids for centuries. And across Africa, you can find beautiful handmade dolls and figurines crafted from natural materials like cloth, beads, and gourds. These toys aren't just playthings, they are cultural artifacts that connect children across generations and share a piece of their heritage with the world. So, why are toys so important? It's clear they are much more than just fun and games. Toys are powerful tools that teach us essential life skills. When we play with others, we learn about sharing, cooperation, and teamwork. When we build with blocks or create stories with dolls, we're firing up our creativity and learning to solve problems. Toys help us understand and process our emotions, develop social skills, and grow into well-rounded individuals. From the most ancient dolls to the most advanced robotics kits, toys are fundamental to how children explore, learn, and imagine. So the next time you see a child playing, or even pick up a favorite toy from your own childhood, remember its incredible journey and its powerful purpose. It's not just a piece of plastic or wood, it's a vessel for learning, a spark for creativity, and a source of pure, simple joy. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the world of toys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories about the things that make our world fun. See you next time.